Hello everyone, welcome back. And you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. After releasing iOS 14.4, Apple released iOS 14.5 beta profile for iPhone and iPad. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get iOS 14.5 beta profile for iPhone and iPad. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, launch Safari browser and search for beta profiles. Now tap the first link. A page will appear on the screen and we have to scroll down to get iOS 14.5 beta profile. Tap download. Now we have to tap on download anyways. A pop-up window will appear and we have to tap on allow. Profile downloaded. Tap on close. Go back to iPhone home screen and launch the settings. Under settings, tap on profile downloaded. Tap install. iPhone passcode required. Tap install again. Tap install. If you want to restart your iPhone, tap restart. If you don't want to restart, tap not now. Tap done. That's it. iPhone home screen, tap on settings, tap general and tap software update. You will get iOS 14.5 beta developer beta is 3.6 GB, and now we have to tap on download and install. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.